Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Griselle.
I'm Leslie.
And today we're gonna do the Boxycharm unboxing. Today we're gonna do the April box.
Yes.
So yeah, without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Woo! Okay guys, so let's get started with today's video. We're gonna go ahead and put our headbands on just so we can take our hair out of our face. Okay, so let's get started. This is what the box looks like this month. It's the same as every single month. So this is the card.
It changed.
Yeah, it changed. Like, you know how it used to be like a just
like
one
a card?
card? Yeah. And I guess they make like a pamphlet or something. So like always, it shows the products that come inside with the prices. And I'm seeing that it's a really good month. Like, we have a lot of cool products in here. Whoa, okay. So the first thing I'm grabbing is this Pores No More vacuum cleaner, pore purifying mask by Dr. Brandt, and it's for oily to combination skin. So I don't know if you guys know, but I'm actually oily to combination skin, but my nephew over here, my niece, she's
I have dry skin.
yeah, she has dry skin, so we'll have to see how it works on you. Okay, so we're gonna apply some of this. Okay, so I'm just gonna grab my clean color brush. It's just any brush. And we're just gonna put some on our faces. It says just to apply to areas of concern, so I guess I'm just gonna add it on my T-zone.
Yeah, me too.
Okay. Does it smell like anything? Let me see. Well, it smells really bad actually. It smells like poop. Oh my god, it smells really bad. Smell it.
Ew. Oh,
yeah,
no.
it smells bad. Well, I guess we're just gonna put some on our brush.
It smells really bad.
It does. Okay guys, so first impressions on this mask. It's really cooling.
Yeah.
Like, you can feel it on your face. It feels like good, you know? It's like a good mask. I feel like I like this kind of mask. We're just gonna apply it to our T-zone.
Can't believe.
Oh, and actually the little like rocks, I don't know how to call them. They're actually breaking down. Like, once you like put it on the face, they like break down. I'm just gonna put some on my chin, and that's about it. Okay guys, so we're gonna leave this for 5 to 10 minutes and we'll be right back. Okay guys, so it's been around 10 minutes. We already took our mask off and we're gonna give you guys our first impressions. Let me see. So I feel my face a lot tighter, like that feeling after when you wash your face, when you feel your face really tight. I feel like that, but it's more intense, you know. I feel like it's like super tight. And then I feel like my face looks brighter. I don't know, maybe it's just me, but for some reason I feel like my face looks brighter, like more alive.
Okay, yes, I agree with you with that tightness feel. And then the smell doesn't bother you anymore when you have it on your face.
Yeah,
so
after a few seconds, like, the smell goes away.
Yeah, so it's not like you have to be smelling that horrible scent. So
okay, so yeah, it was really nice. The mask felt really nice in the face, so I guess that's a huge thumbs up on the mask. So we're gonna go do our face off camera. We're gonna do foundation, concealer, blush, bronzer, and brows. And we'll be right back to test the rest of the products. Okay guys, so we're back with our face done. We're gonna move on to the rest of the products. Okay, so
I'll open this one. This is a Pro Glow by Tarte liquid highlighter.
Ooh, it's a highlighter. And that highlighter retails for $29, guys. Yeah. This itself is more than the box. I say it every month, but this month, guys, the Boxycharm is so worth it. And oh, and I forgot to tell you guys that this Dr. brand Pores No More retails for $47, Lesley.
$47?
That's expensive, guys. But it does work. I really like it.
I feel like we should try this.
Yeah,
I'm excited. I really like highlighters.
Me too.
Okay, let me open this. It looks like a lip gloss from like the old times.
And as you can see, guys, you could have gotten 3 different highlighters. I guess we got the last one, the grayish one.
The sparkle one. It's called Sparkle.
Let's open it up and see how we like it.
Should I just do like a swatch here?
Yeah. Damn, that looks gorgeous. Okay. Make the light.
Oh yeah.
Oh my god, guys, that's so pretty. Look at that. Damn.
Imagine just that on your cheek.
Okay, so let's try it out. You know what, guys? This dries out really fast.
Okay.
So it's like getting stuck. It's not blending out, damn.
Okay, don't speak.
Lesley, look at this. It's not blending out, guys.
Oh yeah, mine isn't either. It's already dried.
Oh my god. Okay guys, so this dries out really fast. You have to apply it like fast.
Yeah, I can't get it.
To
when I
blend out.
swatched it, I can't get it to move.
Oh, but it looks gorgeous. That highlighter, guys,
Yes.
thumbs up. It's so good.
Just put it
Okay, so we're gonna move on to the next product, and this is a high definition liquid lipstick from Aris, and it's in the color. Where's the color at?
Bottom?
No, I think it's inside, I guess.
Oh, yeah,
the
yeah.
lipstick.
And that one retails for $22.
Ooh,
$22 for a lipstick?
it's expensive.
Yeah.
Well, it doesn't say the color, but it's like a nudish color, like a mauve color. That's what I wanted to say. Looks like this. So we're just gonna apply this to our lips.
Both of us?
Yeah.
Okay. Can I go first? Oh, that just happened.
What the? I think. Look, guys, look at the wand. It came broken. Like it doesn't have the thingy.
Like the tip?
Yeah, the sponge. That sucks. I mean, we can still apply it, but that sucks.
Yeah.
Like, so we're just gonna apply it with this, and then hopefully make it work. Okay, guys. So this is a lip gloss on. I guess we thought it was gonna be matte since it says liquid lipstick. Oh no, yeah, high definition liquid lipstick. So I thought we thought it was gonna be matte, but it's actually a gloss. But it's really pigmented, and I really like the color. The only bad thing, like like we said before, is that it came broken. So I don't think we're gonna be using it again. So
yeah, that's a thumbs down.
So we're gonna move on to the next product.
Okay, so the next thing I see here is a brow gel by Tanya Crooks.
Yeah, it's like a brow gel. And that eyebrow gel, it retails for $22.
Let's open it up. Let's open and see the little wand. This brown looks so light. It looks like almost blonde.
Yeah, it's not gonna work on us. Well, at least try it out on me.
Here, let me use the mirror. And let's see. Okay, yeah. This is...
Is it making your eyebrows look lighter? Yeah, right?
Yeah, a bit. I'm not gonna lie. You can definitely feel like
the gel.
Yeah, like it's getting like doing its job. It's just since it has pigment on it.
Let me try it on my brows. Yeah, actually I like it. Cause I thought it was gonna make your eyebrows like lighter, but it didn't. They're like the same color, but they look nicer because my eyebrow
are in place.
Yeah, are in place. They look nice. Yeah, I give this a thumbs up too. Okay, so the last thing we have at the palette is
palette.
I mean, the last thing we have in the box is a palette.
I just realized what you just said as well. It's because I didn't realize why you were laughing.
Okay, so it looks like this. It's really heavy, like without opening it.
Damn, it is.
It's heavy and it's small, guys. So it shouldn't be. Well, it shouldn't be heavy for its size.
Its size.
Oh my god! But this is so pretty. Okay, so what is it? It says it's a ColourPop You Had Me at Hello shadow palette. Oh, that's so cute. You had me at hello. And it retails for $18. That's really good.
$18? Yeah. That is really good for a palette.
Okay, so this is what the shadows look like. They're so pretty, guys. They're so pretty. They're like more neutrals on the neutral side, but
and there's a lot of shimmers.
Yeah, exactly. It has shimmers, so you can do like a nighttime or a daytime look. Okay, so we're just gonna play with the shadows and give you our thoughts. Okay, so let's get started. I'm gonna be grabbing my Moda Pro BMX 430 crease brush. Just look at it just looks like this.
Oh well, I have this random brush. It doesn't really say its name.
It's a Nickel Tools brush.
Oh, okay.
So I'm just gonna grab the color Moonstruck, which is this like salmon transition color. So we're just gonna start.
I'm gonna use the Sparks Fly, which is this like brownish color.
Ooh, first impressions, like the colors look blend out really nice. I mean,
and then my color is really pigmented.
Oh yeah, it is.
I don't know about yours, but mine is.
It's really pigmented. I like it, Lesley. Okay, guys. So the next color I'm grabbing is this one, and it's called Fool's Rush. And I'm just gonna grab this with my clean color brush.
Okay, so the next color I'm using is gonna be TR.
Okay, so yeah, they're really pigmented, guys. So I'm just gonna set this where I wanted it to be, and then we're just gonna blend it out with the brush we had right now. And today we're trying to go for a halo eye. But like I said before, try. Okay, so the next color I'm gonna grab is FBO, and it's like this like lilac. It's this lilac color. So I'm just gonna grab my Naked Urban Decay brush, just this top side.
Okay, so I think on my inner lids, I'm gonna use the color Winning Ticket, which is like a shimmery gold color right there.
Okay, so then with the same blending brush, we're just gonna blend the edges out, just so it doesn't look harsh. And this purple, guys, is really pretty. Like, it's so cute. I don't think I have a shadow like that. Do I? I don't think.
Didn't we get a color like that? Kind of like that in the other unboxing video? In the other Boxycharm?
Oh, yeah, I think we did. Oh,
but the one that you did like a blue and purple eyeshadow?
I can't remember, to be honest. But I think this color is really pretty, though.
Okay.
Okay, then I'm just gonna grab, actually, I think which one did you grab?
For what?
I
used this one.
Okay, so I think I'm gonna grab the color The Knot. It's just this. like rose gold color.
And then to highlight my eyebrows and my inner eyes, I'm gonna use the Candy Gram.
So yeah, I'm just gonna use this Marks brush just to really pack the brush. And we're just gonna put that on the middle.
Okay, so I'm gonna use the color Pulling Strings. This like darker shade here at the bottom, just to define the crease.
With this same brush, just so I don't get another brush, I'm gonna tap into the color Pulling Strings just to mark my halo eye more. I lost my brain of thought. Is that how you call it? Is that how you say it?
I don't know. That happens to me all the time.
Okay, so I'm done with the eyes.
Too.
Yeah, so far guys, I really like the palette. It has a lot of kick up. I don't know if it's just messy or what, but it had a lot of kick up. But yeah, besides that, the colors are really pretty, guys. They're so pretty and they're so pigmented. I had a little bit of trouble with the glittery one, the shimmery one, but with
setting spray,
yeah, it helped a lot. Okay, so I guess that's it for the face. We're gonna go put some eyeliner and lashes on, and we'll be right back. Okay guys, so that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe.
Don't forget to comment down below what you would like for us to do next video.
And until next time, bye guys. Love you. Okay, so let's get started. So this is what the month looks like.
The what?
Okay guys, so we're gonna get started.
And then, like I was saying, the
so hopefully they see it.
here, let me.
No, they can't. No.
I'm just like
no, try. Okay, okay, Dad. Yeah, did you see it? Go ahead and put our headbands on. We look
so bad.
Yeah, me too.